Standby now for dispatch. Gates open. They're up and racing. Poker Chip draws for your lead. Moving up by the rail. Jetstream then on the outside. Going west. The stable. Then Camela Bang is sneaking in down on the inside while Lorquez Tower is running in behind them. Heading towards the last 800. Jetstream in command by about a length and a half. Running in second is the stablemate 3A going west. Camela Bang moving up on the outside is Poker Chip. Then followed by Jaden, Apo Papato, Ezip, and Lorquez Tower. Rounding at the last 450. It's still Jetstream in command by about 2 lengths. Right behind in second is Going West, the stablemate of the front runner. Then comes Poker Chip, and by the rail moving up is Ezip. With the last 200 to go. Jetstream this time by about 2 lengths. Running in second on the outside, 3A going west. Poker Chip is by the rail with 75 meters more to run. It's all Jetstream for race number 1, second going west. Then comes Poker Chip, Lorquez Tower, Ezip, 2A. Jaden